box with this drum kit arrived, I received everything at once. I found there the drum rack, the drum pads, cymbals, kick pedal, hi-hat pedal, drumsticks, throne, headphones, drum mat, all the cables, power adapter, and of course a manual. We were assembling it all together with my 9-year-old daughter, and we didn't have any previous experience on this. And with this detailed manual, it took, I don't know, maybe 15 or 20 minutes to set it all up. So the instruction was very clear, and I've noticed that the whole construction of this is pretty stable, and it depends on how tightly you do all these connections with the drum key. The frame itself is metal with some plastic details in the connections, and of course it has some cables which can be managed with cable holders. They're included in the package. I like that you can adjust how tall everything is. For example, for a kit you can put some drums down and it's more comfortable then. The weight of the whole thing together is 14 kg, and this drum kit is foldable, so you can literally just take it and fold it and bring it into your car trunk and, I don't know, drive somewhere. What makes a lot of difference to me is mesh heads. It means that the surface of the drums isn't entirely made of rubber, but it's a synthetic woven material, and your drumstick can bounce back easily. It feels really natural. Of course, this drum kit is electronic, and the sounds it makes are electronic as well, but the velocity of them is well adjusted, so you can play piano and forte, and you will hear the difference. It feels much nicer than rubber pads and very close to acoustic drums. Look at this snare. You can hit it in the center, with different dynamics from piano to forte, but also you can use it as a rim shot. How smart it is! According to the instruction, it has 23 different drum kits in presets. So you can choose rock, pop, jazz, punk, whatever you want actually. This is the metal one, number 13. And this is a kind of an Eastern one, experimental one, I think. This is number 18, and you can hear how different this is. Okay, the rest of it I think I will be showing on drum kit number 1, just to make it simpler. It has 3 cymbals, hi-hat, crash and ride, and they sound piano and forte, so the responsiveness is fine. With this drum kit you can practice really loudly if you want. You can adjust volume here on the drum kit and on your amp as well. You can make it quieter if you want, and also you can practice in headphones, and they're included in the package. You can play with the metronome, which is essential for drummers, and here you adjust the tempo. You can just make it faster or slower if you want, and here you can do 3/4, 2/4 if you want, 5/4. And this is the coach mode for very beginners. It has 3 levels A, B and C, and each of them is with 3 lessons. So, for example, the first lesson looks like this, and it will show you what you need to do. Kick and snare. Kick, snare, kick, snare. Let's have a look at the last lesson and last level. So you actually are playing with the backing track using the hi-hat, the kick and the snare. This drum kit can also be recorded very easily. This is the output for this, And it becomes a MIDI controller when you connect it with a DAW like a GarageBand or Reaper or any other DAWs. You've probably noticed a lot of lights blinking here and there, and they're fun. They are very helpful in the coach mode because they show you what you need to do, and they also respond to your actions. You can see it's shining, so it's just fun. So this drum kit has everything included, just unpack and start playing straight away. I like that you can regulate your dynamics, you can be quiet or very loud if you want. I love mesh heads with all this responsiveness and bouncing back. I like that I can connect my phone and play with the backing track, and I can record this drum kit in my DAW. This is a very beginner-friendly kit. I believe that this drum kit is a great choice for beginners, of course, for students, for home practice, apartments living, songwriting at home, MIDI recording. I do like this drum kit very much, and I'm happy to recommend this one to you.